Do you want your smile to go the extra mile? Then don't hesitate to make an appointment at Dvorny Orthodontics. Serving the greater Antigo, Wausau, Wittenberg areas, we are committed to excellence in orthodontics. Our team is dedicated to providing you or your child with professional yet personal orthodontic care designed to make you feel unique, important, and comfortable. From invisible braces to TMJ relief, we'll take all the time necessary to accurately diagnose any troubles. We offer a variety of payment options and will help you choose the plan that you are most comfortable with. And we're available for emergency care 24 hours a day. Now is the time to schedule your free consultation to learn more about the benefits of our procedures. New patients are always welcome, so let our team of caring professionals create a world-class smile just for you. Dvorny Orthodontics. Call or visit our website to schedule your appointment.